I have a lot to say about screen protectors, okay? First of all, why do people use cracked screen protectors? I know multiple people that their real phone screen isn't cracked, but the screen protector on top of it is. What's the matter with you? Just take it off.
The Council of Egbo J20 has spoken. Okay, let's get my good side first. Yeah. Okay, look good. With this statement that this TikToker has said on his platform, I can both agree and disagree on it, and let me explain why. The reason why many people do not always take off their screen protector, despite the fact that it's cracked, but their screen isn't cracked, is that people have a certain extent as to when they're going to replace their screen protector, and let me explain further. Okay, so let's say that your screen protector is cracked a little. You can still use the phone because it doesn't affect how you use the phone at all. But if it gets cracked to a certain extent that like you believe that probably is going to damage the main screen if you keep on using that, then that's when it's replaced. Also, consider the fact that not everyone always has the money to change their screen protectors frequently. Like, you should understand that not every time that someone has that money. Yes, screen protectors are affordable, but not everyone always has that money to do that. But how I can agree with your statement is if now that there's someone who literally has a screen protector that's literally falling off and is getting destroyed and everything, that's when you really have to replace it. But these people don't want to replace it despite the fact that they have money or not. If I should advise you on screen protectors, here's my advice. Make sure you get a good screen protector. It mustn't be all those expensive ones. It can be affordable ones, but make sure that it's still decent and strong. Also, replace your screen protector when it gets broken to some extent. Like that's what I do. Like if my screen protector should get broken to an extent that I believe that it might break the main screen of my phone, that's when I replace it. And please do not keep your screen protectors on for too long, because if you keep it on for too long, when there's so many cracks, it can affect the phone, as I previously just stated. So make sure that you replace your screen protector when it's necessary.